y'all, back at you. So you know, guys, if you watch any of our other videos, you know we have a problem. We buy too many plants, we find too many plants. We have what looks like a small nursery going on over here of plants that all need to be put in the ground. But we went into town the other day, and we actually went into town twice. This is the problem, we're lucky. Like, I only go to town about twice a year, so I hardly ever leave the island. So we're lucky, I don't really get a chance to spend money. But when we do leave the island, we always stop at every nursery we pass. And
we didn't leave the island for this.
No, we didn't. Technically, we didn't.
Or this.
Yeah, this was actually two separate trips. So last night, Annalisa and the kids went to a little organic plant seminar thing.
Plant class.
Yeah. And then today we dropped our kids off at their environmental learning class, and went to the store. So last night she got two things from the plant class that I'm pretty stoked about. I guess the first thing we'll talk about is this loquat right here.
Golden Nugget Loquat.
So this is, Golden Nugget Loquat. Now, guys, we've already tried, we had a Christmas loquat, and I can't say that I babied it, but I don't think I totally ignored it either. But it just totally died on us. And I mean, that doesn't, usually we see signs of something going downhill and we can correct it or move it or something. I'm not saying that we have 100% success rate, but we usually do pretty good with our plants, and that one just died on us, just died on us.
And
so
it was a big tree.
It was a big tree, and we actually spent some good money on it. So but I really want a loquat, so I'm stoked. We were told that this variety we might have a little bit better luck with. You said that this is a spring bloomer.
We lost the one we lost was a Christmas loquat, which was one that's in the winter.
Yeah.
And maybe that was our problem. Maybe that's not a good variety for here, because there's all the different kinds of varieties. But this one, we get fruit in the spring.
Yeah.
So
I'm stoked about that. Yeah. And then our son picked out this little one right here. I'm actually real excited about this. This is the what's it called?
Datil?
The Datil pepper. This is super famous here in Florida, in St. Augustine. I think they even have a Datil pepper festival.
It's too bad we picked the pepper on.
Yeah, so guys, it's a little orangish pepper. We still have part of the pepper. You want to go grab it?
Yeah, I'll go grab it.
So we'll show you. It's like kind of like a yellowish orange little pepper. She's gonna go get what's left of it. And I say what's left of it, I mean, it's not a very big pepper, but man, they're so hot. And we tried a little bit of it raw, and it was just so hot. I mean, I didn't even eat a piece as big as my pinky fingernail, and it was, I mean, my mouth was burning for probably an hour or two. But they're apparently real prolific growers here in Florida. We're a little south of St. Augustine. But I think it'll still do. We actually got this plant from someone who was growing it, so we know that it grows in our area. Here we go. Here's what's left of the pepper.
Alright, so it's a small,
little
orangish
pepper.
Yellow pepper.
Yeah, and they might get a little bigger than that. This was just
but
the
we're
one
saving
that was
the
on
seed.
The plant. Yeah, we're gonna save the seeds
from
that
this one.
But I mean, guys, they're so hot. Like, I'm afraid I just touched it. I'm afraid I need to wash my hands now or something.
I put my finger in my eye last night after handling this.
But I'm excited about this one because we're always looking for vegetables and stuff we can grow.
It's not easy.
It's not. We do a lot of tropical food and fruits and stuff, but it's not. We at one point in our lives lived in North Georgia. That's where we're from originally, and we could grow beautiful vegetable gardens up there.
Vegetables were what you could grow easier. Just
beautiful. And then we came down here and failed real quickly. And I mean, I know that there are some varieties that work, and that's why we're
trying to figure it out.
That's why we're trying to get the ones that work good. So we're excited to find this one. I'm excited to make some hot sauce with these. So that was a good find. I'm stoked that Reese picked that one out.
Yeah, he wanted the spiciest pepper.
Yeah.
Well, he got it.
He got it. So
yeah. And so we took a class on sugarcane, and we got sent home with this that we can plant too.
Yeah,
this is purple sugarcane. Doesn't look purple, but this is the purple variety. It's just a green section of it.
We actually have some sugarcane, guys. It looks real sorry. I'll just show you real quick. We'll take a time out here, and I'll show you. It's I don't know if you'll see. It's real sorry looking. really, I think it's just these couple canes have reached their full maturity, and we didn't harvest them. Yeah, we didn't harvest them, and just all in, like, you can see it right there, like overnight, half of them just fell down, and are sitting in the grass. But you can see we have some pretty healthy canes still going, and we have some new shoots over there. That's purple. That's the purple cane too. I think this is a little dry where they're at. I think we could plant them a little bit closer to the river.
Yeah, I don't think it's, I mean, because I put it there because the water from our water system comes out right here, but I think that it was too wet for some areas of it, so.
Yeah, so we have some cane going, and we'll take the piece that she got last night too and probably start it in a different area. We try to, if we have multiples of something, we try to, you know, spread them out around the property, so if one fails,
I think we should plant some with the
another
coconut.
one. Plant some what?
I think we should plant some with the coconut.
Down by the river? Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. So, let's see. We got the Loquat. So those were the two that they got last night. And then today, when we went into town, we went to a nursery that's famous around here for ornamentals and stuff like that. And you know, if you guys watch our other videos, you're probably thinking, what the heck, they bought a tea plant? Because we get lots of tea plants, and I collect tea plants. You see, this is our newest variety. I have no clue what it's called, but it's just so beautiful.
Peppermint swirl.
I just love you, little plants. And I'll show you guys, we have, like, just right over here, we have, here's a different variety. There's a different variety right here. And we got, this is kind of like your classic Hawaiian tea right here. So pretty. And then
we have the variegated kind in the back.
Yeah, hold on, I got more kinds over here. I got this one right here. I just love my tea plants. And then we got this one right here. This is another variety. So anyways, I collect, I guess that's kind of a theme with our gardening, is that we collect. We collect, we collect, we collect. So
theme with our life.
yeah, we collect, we collect.
Collectors.
So I collect tea plants, and I saw this one today, and I just had to have it. And I think it was pretty expensive too, guys. I think I want to say we spent 25 bucks on it or something.
It's 22.
Which is a lot of money for a tea plant, but I've never seen this one before, so I had to have it. I'm real excited about it.
Yeah, me too.
It's just an ornamental. It's they do actually this time of year, fall, late fall, winter, they get flowers that the pollinators love, but it's just once a year. So.
And then I found the cheapest plant, because I will say the place we went is a little pricey.
It is, but they got stuff you can't get in other places.
Yeah, that's why we went, so we could find something unique.
Yeah, so
but I got this for $2.50.
So this is a Penta, and again, we collect Pentas. We have lots of different colors of Pentas.
We don't have this color.
We didn't have this color, and the pollinators just love Pentas.
Especially
they love
the
them.
monarchs.
And these things are so tough. We live beachside, zone 10A. The ocean's right over there, a couple more houses in front of us, and the river's right behind us. So we get a lot of, I mean, not salt spray, but we live in a very, you know, oceany environment. And these things are just
more than one of these.
Tough. Well, we can go back. We gotta spread out the fun.
I know.
So
this one's just so pretty.
Almost looks like a mint.
The hummingbird moths are always at these in the evening
yeah,
too.
they are. Yeah.
So it's really, it seems like to be a favorite, and it seems like the pollinators come to it all day long, even in the evening. It still has pollen left in it.
Yeah. All right, so I'm excited. We got kind of a hodgepodge here. This was an odd little grouping of plants, but I'm excited about each one of them individually. So
yeah,
stoked.
Reese is so excited about this.
Yeah, he is. I am too, because you said that they had a real big bush of it.
They had a real big bush of it.
I'm missing my hot sauce.
And it's good for hot sauce, and
yeah, I'm missing my hot
sauce.
Publix doesn't sell my hot sauce, and that's the only. We can't.
Kroger had good stuff.
They do, but there's no Kroger in Florida.
Kroger here, so.
And all the other grocery stores are a million miles away from us. That's why we never go into town, guys. We live a million miles from everything. It's a million miles one way. So that's why I have to buy a plant every time I go into town. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed our new finds here. If you have any questions or comments about any of these, just post down below. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.